Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. It should be on the second position, and as you can see right here we've got some options which we can or even cannot customize, because as you can see we cannot tap on date, time or the time zone. It is because we are using network provided time. So let's tap on this first option, and as you can see we've got three different ones. So we've got the network provided, which is currently set, we've got the GPS provided, and we can turn it off, which means that we will be able to customize it manually. And as you can see, the date and time options are active. So the same situation with the automatic time zone, we have to turn off this option to be able to set it manually. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, you can pick the date from this calendar. So let me randomly pick this one, for example. Tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, but this time from the clock we can pick the hour and also the minutes. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone also, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. And of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it you've got the clock format option. So currently we are using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. Of course, if you want to, you can use local default. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher right here, on this one to activate automatic time zone, and here to use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.